Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Oh my god! Dashcam! My god! Frick!
At the light.
Dude, what the bro? Are you serious? Jesus Christ.
East 57th, to be precise. I would be inside about 4 minutes ahead of Springfield. I would know if he had brought the room. I would see whether anyone came in before him, or with him, or after him. I walked through to the lobby from the
Now it's all rusted.
Picked up, serviced, and brought right back. Or choose mobile service, where a technician will come to you and do routine maintenance right on the spot. It's a location. That's ownership built around you. Contact your participating dealer or visit.
Is that a frog? Come on, kitty. Go. It's a mouse. Oh, the cat's so distracted. It is a mouse.
Serious. Said NASA says we can't go to the sun because it's too hot. So yield.
Like, I'm looking at Brock Bowers as being a good DFS option this week, because I think that they've been, they've altered some coverage schemes. I've been their defensive coordinator for years, and now he's
trust you. Ooh.
About the sequence of events. We argue about it still. Most likely, Bonnie died while we sat in the living room, dreaming of highway.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
What?
We got that on dash camera right there.
Are we gonna...
Yeah?
Hey, I'm on YouTube.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.